everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll take a look inside of Bleach Volume 5 on Blu-ray. So, there's the cover, the spine, the back, and the other spine. Take the slipcover off. Okay, and when you open it up, you get Orihime on one side. Hope you can see that well. And then you get disc 1 with episodes 112 to 118. And then you get disc 2 with episodes 119 through 125. Disc 3 with episodes 126 to 132. And disc 4 with episodes 133 to 139. And then there's the back. So this has been Bleach Volume 5 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.